Okay, so now I'll be giving you the final activity for this session on SD Elective 1 special session. So for this one, as you can see on the screen, I already put the activity which I entitled the online MQTT web client. So basically for this activity, this will just be an extension of the other activity, which is the publish subscribe web client. But this one, there are some things that I will require you to add on your implementation. So to demonstrate this, I have here a sample output. This one actually was created last year. So this example, I'll just explain to you that now still I have 3 columns, and each column corresponds to certain functionality. So the first one for the broker, so the second one for the publish, and then for the third one for the subscribe. Now, and for the broker column, you can see under the broker there's an address. So here you can enter the address of the broker that we will use. So for this one, I put in here the MQTT eclipse.org, then 443/MQTT. So this is the address, and there I have a connect button. So unlike the other one, which will connect automatically, this one, it will only connect once I click this connect button. So it will then here there's a status which will tell me what's the current status of my application. So if I click the connect, you see currently the status is press connect. If I press connect, connecting, and then it will tell me that okay, now I am connected. So below it has the incoming messages. So this one is a table with the topic, payload, and timestamp fields. So basically this will receive all the message that I'll receive, and then it will display it here. So the next one is for the publish. So for the publish, I have also the input for the topic and for the payload, and then I have the publish button. Now, if you see below, under it is the publish messages, and same, it has the fields of topic, payload, and the timestamp. But what I will be showing here are those topics and payload that this page currently is publishing. So right now, let's say if I click publish, so it shows that okay, I publish to the topic of cloud with a payload of Stripe. So if I, let's say, change this one, and also the topic, say simple sample. So I have a topic of simple and with a payload of sample. If I click publish, okay, so it will tell me that okay, I have published for the topic simple with a payload of sample with a timestamp. It's around 11:09. So those are the things that will be displayed here. Now third, I have the subscribe. Here I have input for the topic and as well as button for the subscribe. For the unsubscribe, I'll no longer require this one. I'll only require the subscribe. Also the same here. I will no longer require the disconnect but only the connect button. So here, the same thing. There's also a message below that will show me what are the current topics that I have subscribed. So for this example, the topic is cloud. So if I subscribe, so it will show here that okay, I have subscribed to the topic cloud with with this given timestamp. So right now I have subscribed to the topic cloud. So if say I'll change it again to cloud, and then let's say I put the message of server, so cloud server. Okay, so when I click publish, you see first it appears on the publish messages telling me that okay, I have now published to the topic cloud and with the payload server. Now you notice that on the incoming messages, I also received that certain topic. Why? Because if you remember, I have subscribed to the topic cloud. Another example. Here, I have, um, let's say I will try to subscribe to topic simple. Okay, simple. I click subscribe. So now, this client is currently subscribed to the topics cloud and simple. So if let's say I'll redo this again, the simple topic with payload of sample, I should expected I should be able to receive that. Okay, and so first it appears here simple sample, and then now I was able to receive it here. So this is just a demo using one, but how about if I'll demonstrate using two? So I'll try to open a new tab. I'll copy this. Then let's try to open a new window. Copy. Okay. And then let's put them side by side. So I'll have to refresh this one first. Okay. So now I have to connect. The other one also I'll connect. Okay. So now both of them are currently connected. So let's just say, for example, for this one, I will subscribe to the topic cloud. So, okay, it's telling me you're now subscribed to the topic cloud. So here, if I publish to the topic cloud with a payload of Stripe, okay, you see. So under the publish, it tells me I have published to this topic with that payload, and this one was now displaying what it the topic as well as the payload that it has received. Now, another demo for this one. Let's change this one. Let's try it with another example. Google. For the topic, Google. Let's subscribe. Okay, so now it's subscribed. But no. Wait. I'll reset it first for now. Reset it also. So um, so I'll subscribe. No, I have to connect first. Also here, connect. Okay, connected. And then here I have to subscribe. So now if I publish, okay, it tells me that I have published this topic, and now this one also receives this. Now here, I'll try to change it into Google. I'll subscribe to Google. Okay, I am now subscribed to Google. Here, I'll change it to Google. And then here, I'll change it. Let's say, for example, platforms. Okay. So now, if I publish, so it will show me that I published to the topic Google with a payload of platforms, while here I should also be receiving that topic with a corresponding payload. So I guess that's it. So as you can see, these are basically the functionalities that you should be able to do with this web page. Now moving to our post. Here I put some examples here, like this one. If I click that, so it will show you an example of web client, but this one is a bit more very advanced because there are lots of options that you can fill in. But for me, I'll just require at least these ones. So you can use it also for your reference. It can also help you how to implement your uh, web page. Another example here is the one that I also did myself with my other GitHub account and deployed it to the GitHub page. So this one, This is the sort of simple one. I think the message, I'll just display them here, or if I'm not mistaken, I also display it here. So let's try this out. Connect. Okay, so it tells me, there's an error. So let's try to reload. Connect. Okay, so there's some sort to be some problem here, but anyway, this one will just serve as an example to you. You can also inspect this so that you can also check how it works behind. So this one, I deployed it in the GitHub page. So this is a simple one also, but you can also use it as a reference in implementing your own. And I think that's it. If you have any question, if there are still information that's not clear, you can also chat me. By the way, at the end, I'll also require you that at least you should deploy it through your GitHub pages. So once you're done, you have to deploy it on the GitHub page, and that link you will you will have to submit that link in this post. So that's all.